Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to determine a region whose area is equal to the given limit, and this is from calculus with James Stewart, and this is from section 4.1, and it says do not evaluate the limit. Okay, so we're only asked to find the region where the area is equal to the given limit. Okay, and so to start off, they've given us this equation with a limit as n approaches infinity of the summation of n I equals 1 of 2n times 1 divided by 1 plus 2I over n. So to start it off, the first thing we do is we're going to write down our formula for area. So area equals to limit as n approaches infinity of the summation of n where I equals to 1 of our f of xi times delta x. All right, and then this equals to the integral from a to b, and all we're going to do now is we're going to substitute for these two values. So we're going to substitute, and we're going to substitute for delta x, and you can already see that it's already given to us. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to replace, and you may say, okay, where is it given to us? Well, let me show you. Let me just highlight this. You can see this is our delta x, and this let me use a different color. I use green, and this is this whole area. Okay, that's our interval. Okay, so that being said, we're going to substitute. We're going to say 1 over 1 plus 2I over n, all right, times 2 over n. Okay, easy stuff. Okay, so what's our next step? Our next step is to calculate and to find so we're going to find what b is, all right, because we know what a is, but I'll come to that in a moment. So we know for delta x, okay, because we're looking for the interval, it's our b minus a divided by n. Okay, so the first step here is to replace delta x. Now we know what our delta x is, right? It's 2 over n. So go 2 over n equals to b minus a divided by n. Okay, next step, you're going to go 2 over n again equals to b minus a divided by that n. And all I do here is I times both sides by n. What happens then? The n's cancel out. Okay, it's gone. And then left with 2 that equals to b minus a, right? This is a 2, right? This is a 2. Then I'm going to replace for a. So 2 equals to b minus. Okay, I'll come back there in just a moment. But before I do, I just want to point out, so this is our a. The 1 that's here, that's our a. Okay, and I'll show you how we got it. That's our, the 1 is actually a. And from there, all you're going to go do is you're going to say b equals to 3. Okay. This video is getting a bit long now, and then I'm going to go to find our a. If you recall, it's xi equals to a plus delta x times I. And our a, it's given to us in the above, it's our 1, so you're going to go there, plus 2 over n, and when we times it by I, we get that, which is exactly what we have. Okay, so that being said, f of x is equal to 1 over x, and our interval is 1 and 3. You may say, why is it 1 over x? Well, if you look closely at the example, use this. So if you look closely at this example, and if this area here, that's x, this entire area, it's the equivalent of 1 over x. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.